Good morning, everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss, how to find match records from two files. If the key or ID matches, we are going to write it or we are going to display in a console. First, understand the concept. Suppose this is a file 1 and this is a file 2. So here we have 4 records. So here also we have 4 records. But here, if you observe, there are some matched keys. Okay, there are some matched keys. So what are those matched keys? So 102 is present in first file as well as second file, and 107 is present in first file and second file. So my output should be only 102 and 107. So I don't want to take 101 and 109 because it's not present in a second file. Okay, let's understand the concept before going to implement the code. Okay, and today what we are going to do is we are going to discuss how many ways we can solve this. This is very important interview question also. In normal interviews also they will ask. Okay, normal interviews also they will ask how many ways. So there are 2 ways by using Cobol, and there is 1 way by using JCL. Okay, I'll give the hint here. By using JCL, we can use sort join keys. By using JCL, we can use sort join keys. Based on sort join keys, we can get match records and unmatched records. Okay, so this is one way. The coding and all we will see later. Even if we Google it, what is sort join keys, we will get one clear idea on that one. Okay, this is one of the interview question. Sometimes they will ask us like, okay, by using JCL, how to get matched records. Then we can say like, okay, by using JCL, we can use sort join keys. Based on sort join keys, we can get matched records and unmatched records into different files. Okay, this is by using JCL. By using Cobol, there are 2 ways. I'll explain both the logics. Okay. So there are 2 files. You know already how to open a file and how to read a file and all. So first what we need to do. So I'll write the steps here. Then I'll explain one more time. So only logic I'm going to explain. Only logic. So after declaring the files, okay, let's wait. So first step is file declaration for the 2 input files. So once we declare the file, we need to define, like the definition also should be done. So this and all for declaration and definition. The main logic, what we are going to write it in a procedure division. First, the first step is read file1 record. Okay, just observe here. If you read file1 record, so what is the key here? So 101. 101. Read file1 record and get the key. Get the key. Okay, now key is 101. So after reading first file, inside this variable, what we are going to do? We need to read second file. Read second file record. Read second file with all the records. All the records and perform if logic. Perform if logic. So what type of if logic you need to write here? Okay. If file1 key f1 key equal to f2 key. If both the keys are matching, just go on display it or write it. Display or write into a file. So whenever we are going to write any program, so first you need to think logically. Okay, you need to think logically. Then once the logic you build, right? So after that we need to write a code. Okay, first understand the concept. First we are going to declare the files. So after that in procedure division, read file1 record and get the key. So now file1 record, it's a 101 ABC and abc@gmail.com is there, but we are concentrating on only key. We are going to read file2 record. So here first time you will get 102. Now just observe here, file1 key equal to file2 key. Is it matched? No. Again, if the key is not matching, so again what you need to do? You need to read second record from second file. Now you will get 105. Now you will get 105. So here again, we are going to comparing with those results. 101 equal to 105. Is it correct? No. Again, you are going to read the third file. Sorry, the third record. 107. Again, we are going to match it with 101 equal to 107. Is it correct? No. Now we already read all the records. Now we are into a end of the file. So that means 101 is not present in second file. So now we need to read second record from first file. So that's why. So read second file with all the records and perform if logic. What type of if logic? It's like a comparison logic. Okay. The same way, what we need to do? We need to read second record from first file, and you need to compare with all the records. If the key is matching, we are going to write it, or we are going to display it in a console. Okay, just I will take another record also. So now 102 is there. 102 is there. So what is there in second file? After reading second file, so here also 102 is there. So if both are same, yes. So here if the key is matched, again no need to read second file records, because it is wasting of our time. Okay, it's wasting our time. So that's why what you can do, so you can set one indicator, or you can stop it here. Okay, so whenever you found a key, okay, stop the second file read and go to first file read, so that it will read another record. So what is there in another record from first file? 107 was there. So again, just observe here. Now we are into a third record. So while reading second file, first it will read 102. Again, it is going to compare. No. So 107 equal to 105. It is not matching. 107 equal to 107. Yes, it is matching. So this time it will take 107. So this means, just observe here, it is reading only one time. Okay, file 1 will read only one time. Okay, for each and every record. But file 2, for each and every record, we are reading all the times. Just observe here, 4 records were there. Here, for every record, it is 3 times. Okay, so that means it is performing 12 times. So 12 times we are reading this file 2 for each and every record. Okay, each and every record. So this is the one approach. So this is also correct. But here there are some performance issues will come. So what type of performance issues? Suppose file 1 contains 10 records. File 1 contains 10 records. Okay. File 2 contains 100 records. Just observe here. So in this way, for each and every record, we are going to search it in, we are going to read 100 times. It's like it's happening in 10 into 100. There are 1000 times. Okay. So it's like some kind of bad approach. Okay, bad approach. So that's why there is another logic. So what we are going to do is, just observe here. So the file declaration, so that is for common. So the next thing is, read the file 1 records. And store it into an array. Store it into an array. Array or table. Okay, array or table. So how we can store? By using occurs class, we can define an array or table. Okay, just we are going to read the file one records, and just storing into an array. Okay, I'll tell you how we are going to store it also. Okay, first let me finish the logic. Read the file one records and store it into an array. Next. So that is first step. The second step is read the second file records one by one. Read the second file record one by one and search it into an array. Search it into an array or table. So here we need to use, we are going to use search keyword. By using search keyword, we can search whether the element is present in an array or not. So first what it will do, I'll take the example of this one only. 102. Okay, so file 1 and file 2, right? Okay, file 2 records we are going to match it. Just you can observe 102, 105, 107. We are going to store it into an array. Okay, it's already stored. I'll show you in a diagrammatical way. Just observe here. There are only 3 elements as of now. So 102, 105, 107. So this is an array or table. So now we are into a table now. So this is how we can store it. So this is an first index, second index, or third index. By using occurs class, we are storing. So then what we are doing? Read the second file records. Okay, read the second file records one by one and search it into an array. Suppose first we are going to read 101. First it will check whether it is there in a 101 is present in a table or not. If it is fine, if the record is found, if the record is identified in array, just display or write into another file. So here what it will do, so it's like here the search is very fast, so compared to read. So okay, next time it will come as 102. It will search in this array. Okay, 102 is present, it will write it. Now again it will check 109, suppose. So 109 is not present. Okay, so whatever the records it is matched, it will get displayed into a console. So this is very simple. Okay, this is So whenever the interviewer will ask a question, okay, you have to say like, so this is the second approach. This is the second approach. Read the file one records and store it into an array. And again, we are going to read the second file record and we are going to search it into a table. If the key is matching, we are going to write it into another file. So this is the best approach. This is the best approach. So compare to first one. So first one also correct. Okay, first one also correct, but this is the best one, the performance wise. Also, this is very simple. Okay, this is very simple. And there is another way by using JCL. Suppose if the interviewer is asked, okay, by using JCL, how we can do this? You can select sort join keys. Okay, this is for very important in interviews. How to get matched records by using Cobol. You can say both the logics. Okay, you can say both the logics, but you can say at last, okay, this is a better approach compared to first one. Okay, yeah, that's it for today's class. Just you can practice this second approach. Otherwise, I will explain in tomorrow's class. Yeah, thank you.